I came to New York back in 2002 for a scholarship composition. I love the city. It could be cruel. You have to be very strong and very mature, and as a female artist as well. But I love the city. Yeah, I'm a tough cookie, I would say. I come from a family of musicians. My mother, my uncle, my grandfather, they were all musicians. Pure sound means, for me, made in the moment, the magic of the moment, everything that's happening itself. This magic, it's just creation, and it stays. It's raw music. I always think that the first take, actually, in a normal recording, the first take is always the best because you're paying attention, you're there, your musicians are right there. Sometimes when we do another takes, then things could get lost, so one take is good. When I was 4 years old, my mom bought a piano, but I found love and I started playing and singing by myself. And I told her I want to be a concert pianist. This is what I want to be.